Now, great Roadsters come in all shapes and sizes, and this is our 2009 09 plate Daihatsu Copen. It's the 1.3 engine size. It has a double overhead cam engine, brake horsepower 86 brake horsepower at 6,000 revs, top speed 112 mile an hour, and 0 to 62 figures is in 9 seconds. It has a 5-speed manual gearbox and it's a lot of fun. Let's take a look. Bodywork is in great condition. No marks, no chips, no scuffs. Alloy wheels. It has 14-inch vented front disc brakes, side impact beams, twin airbags, gorgeous leather upholstery, as you can see. The seats are heated as well. 5-speed manual. It has a radio and CD player, air conditioning as well, not that you'd need it, and the hood is all metal and it's fully electric. The miles per gallon you can get out of it, you should be able to get extra urban up to 56 miles to the gallon. It's got 2 chromed roll cage bars. In the rear you've also got the wind deflector, which is glass, which helps you with great vision as well. But it's just an awful lot of car at a sensible price. It's had one previous owner. It's got lots of service history with it. The vast majority have been done by the main dealership. If you're looking for a fun car, something for the weekend, something to use even in the winter. You don't have to just use it in the summer. You know, sports cars don't have to be big cars. You can have a lot of fun with something of this size. It's more like a roller skate on wheels. Now, all our vehicles have a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our vehicles are sanitised and our office is also sanitised as well. If you're interested, pick up the phone, make an appointment. Our name and number is on the screen. My name's Jim from Get Around Cars, where cars cost less. Thank you for watching.